Okay. You want to open it?
Look at it. It says granddaughter. Oh, look. It's from Grammy. It's from your Grammy. Look, it's a big cupcake. Cupcake. Open? Yeah, who's that from? Who's it from? Is it from Grammy? Yeah?
Look.
Yeah, look. Here, let's get your present and we'll open it. Get that one. Here, you do it. You pull it open. Tear the paper right here. Pull. You can do it. There you go. Good job.
Bless you.
Here, pull this one first. Let's open this little one. Look.
She already knows the difference between clothes and the toys.
Pull, pull. From Grammy, yeah. Here. Ooh, what is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. What? My goodness. Oh, look. Look, it says Daddy's Princess. Isn't that pretty? Whoa. Here, let's take a look. Oh, we got some pants. What's on them? What's this? Heart. That's right. Okay. What's that? A coat. What's this on it? Flower. Open. Okay, you go ahead. Open it up. Do you want help? Can you do it? You can, a bow. Can you put it on your head? Grammy? Oh, Grammy's not coming. But Grammy sent you this package. Thanks. Here, let's pull this right here. Look. There, go ahead. Go ahead. What is it? Huh? Is that her foot? Oh, you took the sticker off? Yeah. Let's see. Is that for her to drink? Yeah, let's take it out of the box for you.